An asset is available through our tree structure. This tree structure allows to integrate your assets in an unlimited way in terms of levels and number of assets. If you click here, you have the possibility to open a picture of your asset. If you make a right click, you can accede directly to different actions you can make, like creating a work order or a child asset. With a double click, I have the possibility to open the asset form. In this asset form, I will have several information regarding my asset and as well the historic of all jobs and requests and preventive maintenance which occurs on my asset. If I want to accede to an asset form as well, I have the possibility to use the tree structure tab in a completed way like here. And I have the possibility as well to see my assets in a list where I can set up different filters depending on how I want to see my assets. And I can as well, for example, filter directly here with some keywords like very for very critical.